Hey guys, it's me Prasad Vidpatak, your Indian consumer, and today we are going to unbox and take a look at these shoes which are made by Lamoste, and they are known as the Everest Roadster boots. These shoes we are seeing frequently on Snapdeal and Flipkart. There is a vast range of Lamoste shoes there. Lamoste, which I feel rhymes with Lacoste, which is a well-known brand, and so here we have Lamoste, and let's see what they offer us. And I got these shoes in 920 rupees, which you can see there on the bill, and I'd ordered on 2nd of February and I received them in around 2 weeks, so that was too much of a time. And here you can see Landmark Overseas, which is located in Agra, and from the range which they are providing online, I feel they are definitely manufacturers of these shoes. So let's quickly open the box and get into it and see what we have here. So there you see, since 1975, and we did not find any evidence to justify that. So here we have opened the box, and one more copy of bill that we can find inside. 920 rupees, that was along with the shipping charges. And let's keep the bill aside, and let's see what we have here. We have a small card which says Cinderella is a proof that a new pair of shoes can change your life. And here is a congratulation note. Well, let's see how the boots look. Quite impressed with the packaging. The packaging looks very premium, and the shoes here in polythene. Now the height of these boots from the shaft is 4 inches. The sole is TPR, which is thermoplastic elastomer. Generally that is what is seen in good quality shoes. And here are the shoes. Let's see the material closely. Let's get rid of this paper here. So there you see the branding inside, Lamoste, and the tongue felt very nice. So this is not a steel toe. The feel of the tongue material is very nice. I like the feel. Inside also they have provided artificial leather, which also has a nice feel to it. The cloth used inside is again nice, impressive. Here you can see the sole, which is again also nice. Let's take a closer look. Here you can see little stains of glue, but all the pasting, gluing, stitching work seems very nice. I like the overall feel of it. The laces here. The weight of the shoes is also not that much. Like if you have ever used Bukaru shoes, you can compare it with that. The weight is approximately that much. And inside again you see a nice quality material used. So guys, now we are going to rate these shoes based on comfort, sturdiness, material quality and the cost. So first let me take a closer look at them. Let me take a look at the sole, the grip which it provides, and then I'll rate them. Overall the designing looks very premium. The cushioned tongue, which again gives a nice feel to it. So guys, I wore them and I had a walk around, and now I can tell you and I can rate them accordingly. So on basis of comfort, I will rate them 8 out of 10. On basis of sturdiness, I'll rate them 7.5 out of 10, because I feel the material will wear out eventually in around 6 to 8 months of heavy use. The material quality I'll rate 7 out of 10, because I feel a better quality material can also be found in the rate which they are offering. And cost, I'll rate them 9 out of 10, because in the market currently there are not much competitors out there, and if you want to go for shoes for trekking, especially for trekking purpose, I feel these can be a nice pair. And if your budget is not up to that mark where you can buy Bukaru, Woodlands or even Caterpillars, so you can definitely go for these shoes and wear them occasionally or even for your college wear. And these will be best recommended for trekking. So if you're amongst those people who are not fans of boasting brands, I feel Lamoste is offering you a nice deal in around 920 rupees, and well, it is worth your buck. That is my verdict, and they are providing a vast variety, a wide range of shoes on Flipkart and Snapdeal. I've provided both the links below in the description, so you can go through those links and check them out. And the video you're seeing currently on the screen is my previous video which I made of a Philips trimmer. So if you're confused between all the Philips trimmers and you don't know which trimmer to buy, then I suggest you to see this video and clear that confusion out. If you have liked my video, do subscribe to my channel by simply clicking on the button that you see on the screen. Also go to my Facebook page and get all the updates, and if you're lucky you might even get a discount coupon. So well guys, this was Prasad Vidpatak, your Indian consumer, signing off. Thank you so much.